Hello, welcome to the quick quiz. My name's Colin and I've got 5 questions to test your English skills. Make sure you comment below with your answers, and after the quiz you can check your answers in the video description. Don't cheat. So let's get started. Okay, question number 1 is a grammar question. I want you to look at the question and change the word take into its simple past form. Question 2 is a vocabulary question. Which of these 3 words means the same as the word rapid? Question 3 is a dictation question. I want you to write down exactly what you hear. The weather was perfect for a picnic in the park. Question 4 is a culture question. What is the capital city of the United Kingdom? Question 5 is a conversation question. There's no right or wrong answer. It's just a chance for you to be more creative with your English. So the question is, what did you do yesterday? Now, to help you with this, just try to think of 1 or 2 activities that you did yesterday. You don't have to make it too complicated. Just make the sentences and write them in the comment section below. Okay, that's it. How did you do? Make sure you write and tell me which question was the trickiest for you. And if you enjoyed this, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.